In this video I will show you how to record a screen on Android. So first need to a X recorder apps, Z recorder, X recorder. So first go to Play Store and open Play Store and here search bar and type X recorder and download X recorder. You can see my phone already X recorder downloads. So first open, this is a open X recorder and allow permission. A screen recorder before, first you go to setting and here setting, first audio setting, internally mic setting, set speed, here control and voice recorder. This is a internal setting upper and your voice recording second. Okay, if you want noise reduction, use filter. So you click and audio channel mono and stereo, so already mono select this option, internally audio and personal, so already I set app sound. After that second option is video setting, set 1080 pixel and arrow button. After that orientation auto set. Okay, recording mode normal and performance mode, so normal. After that recording countdown start 5 second, 3 second, already 3 second set. Say to stop recording, this is same setting, don't change. Okay, and click video. You can open this brush section, like here brush open, like teaching board, circle, okay, arrow, any use or here cancel. After that I want recording, so this is recording icon, this minimize window, any screen movement record. So here click and this is wall icon, click and start recording. You can see countdown 3 second and start. My recording start. Any this screen educate, like I want some notebook, open here notebook. You can see and brush section on and here any teach you all movement Android screen now recording. Okay, I want recording stop, so wall icon click and this is a, if you want push, so push click, this is my recording push. After that restart, so this push button again click and this is push symbol billing numbers. Okay, and I want restart, again push button click, you can see restart. I want recording stop, so here click, you can see my recording stop and recording complete. This video file manager save, you can see file manager on and this is my phone save. You can open this video, my screen record Android video. Okay, so if you my video informative, so like and subscribe.